So this is a Nailtech site that I made with AI, without coding, without moving elements and being frustrated for 4 hours and something's not working. So here I got advantages, the services that work, follow our work, the video here, the reviews. Then I got the services itself here. Then I come here to our team, where also I got from our clients the reviews, and then I got also the pricing. So very quick and effective, it looks good. So I'm going to show you how you can make a website like this. Let's go. So for this video, we're going to use Claude Design. I'm using a Claude Pro account, which is going to be sufficient as an AI. So here, we're not going to start write and prompt for Claude Design because the websites are not that great. What we want to do is that you want to come to Google and write here Nailtech website Webflow template. Or you can write here Framer, or write here even Figma. That you are going to find so many ideas, so many templates, and all you have to do is download it as a PNG. That's it. When you're going to download it, screenshot it on your PC or download it, and then we're going to upload it to Claude and use it as an inspiration. So I already got it, or already edited. I will just remove this design system. I got the photos right here. That's all I had to do. And now we just have to write a prompt. So this is something that I write in the prompt. You're just going to share the things that how you want things to be and what you want to, what you don't want to have. So make me a website like I'm sending a screenshot for Nailtech. Want to have it mobile friendly. Also want to have exactly like on pictures in header image before the text. I don't want to have products there or contact form. Want to have a little bit of animations. Ask me questions about the animation design and also another info that you need. Very simple. It's going to ask me now the questions that I'm going to answer, and then it's going to generate the website. So I'm just going to click create here. So it asks me questions like which pages should I build. I even add there that I want to have a pricing. Also business name, tagline, I want them to make it up. Content, so you can even just like make it up, then you're going to change it. Any real content to include. So there you would write phone, address, team names, roles, how much animation you need, where specifically should things animate. You're just going to choose it. Also counting of numbers, header image before text, what should book nouns do. So whatever you're going to write in the prompt before, now it's going to ask you more clarifying options and things for them to create the website. So now I've just choose what I needed and I'm going to press continue, and it's going to make the website. So this is the website that it made. It looks good in my opinion. So best nails for the best moments. I got book now, where it just links me here. So we want to check all the buttons, how they interact, because right here when I would click on our services, look at that, it always puts me to header. That's something that we don't want. For the services here, again, when I click on the services, this is not right. Our team, okay, even right here. And then the pricing looks good. And we don't want to have the book appointment here, the contact form. We want them have to call us or having even Instagram there. So let's just fix it, everything now. So either you can write to Claude on the bottom left and right there, or you can go to top right and click comment, where you can just like do something like this and start writing for the drawing that, I want to have the things differently. And then, or you can click edit, that you can like, let's say, edit the things by ourselves. So for the text, or we're gonna have the nails here. So whatever you want, you can just like edit it. Then you don't have to roll to Claude. So these are the ways how you can edit it. If you want to change, let's say, I'm going to click on a header and you want to change the picture, you can upload the picture to Claude again and it's going to edit for you. So I'm just going to write here, remove the contact form and newsletter from bottom. Okay, if you want to check out how you can add also contact form to your Claude website, link is going to be down below. Then when I click on the buttons, it always puts me back to header. Change it. Like when I click on services in the landing page or reviews on our team. Okay, we got it. Now when we're gonna go even further, we want to have add there under our services, Instagram feed. I'm going to show also how we can add an Instagram feed to your site and make multiple reviews. So in landing page, I'm just writing points here that I want to, for example, have here the landing page. I want to have their review right there. Multiple reviews, that there is arrow and I can look for them. Okay. Between them. So when you're gonna come to Google, and I've got also video for that, Instagram feed, elf site. You can easily add an Instagram feed to your own site where you would just provide the code. I will show you how it works. So here, it's going to let you create your own Instagram, for example, grid here. And I would continue with the template, source, and you would just add an account here. And you would click add to website, and then it's going to embed a code, right? So I would click here. You can have it as a slider, and I would click publish, right? And then you would choose for the free account where you're gonna have 200 views or $4 a month, up to how many visits you're gonna have, and then you can add it to your own site. That's how simple it is. So look at that. Let's see the changes here. All right, so in the moment when you're gonna have your website edited and you are satisfied with the results, what you want to do, I don't know if I mentioned it, always duplicate the project before you're gonna make any big changes. You can always undo it, because Claude, for example, did something that I don't like, I had to undo it. So now we're gonna export the website. It's very simple. So here you want to write to the Claude, export me this website as the main page, index.html, and all the other pages related to it, also HTML. Thank you very much. So now what comes and what we need to do is that link it down below in the description. When you're going to click on it, you will get right here to Hostinger. So here in Hostinger, what you're going to do is that you're going to click pricing and go with a premium. You can go with the unlimited, but the premium is going to be sufficient for the free websites. So there you want to choose 48 months, because the more you're gonna have months, then the less of pay you're gonna have on monthly basis. There you're gonna write also nail salon or something domain, and when you're gonna choose it, first year is going to be completely for free. So first year completely for free, and then on the coupon code right here, Marcus, where you're gonna have 10% off. So you're gonna have 10% off, 1 year free the domain, also 14 months, and you're covered. So now when you're gonna do it, and we have to go to Hostinger, so I'm going to send it, it's going to generate me. So then don't install anything related to WordPress, or even, you know how it's called, not WordPress, but their Hostinger website builder. You don't need that. We're just gonna upload it. So here I go to hosting. Then I come here to the website, and you want to click on the dashboard. There you're going to find files, file manager, and you're just going to wait, public HTML, remove what is there. So now it generated us. So what you can also write to Claude to give you the download link, but I'm just going to download it like this. So I'm going to click download here. Then I'm going to click on the download here, then also download here, and index.html. So now I'm just going to do, I'm going to open everything that it downloaded, and I'm going to come here to the public HTML. You know, it's like when I share with you right here, you're going to click on access files, and you're going to be right here. So now I will come here to download, and I got it right here. So we're just going to wait until it's going to upload, and then the website is going to work. Okay, so now I'm just going to also rename the index.html to just only index. And now when I come here to the website, I open the site and look at that. Services. But do you see that what happens there? This is something that you also want to fix. Now, right here it is also the download button. I just want to share with you that you can also do it that way. And when I'm just going to open it, just gonna insert the index HTML, like this HTML page is there. That's it. Also, as you see that when I was like clicking through the site, it was doing this kind of like, do you see that logo there, this certain level of loading there? You can also write to Claude to remove it completely. So that's something that you also want to do. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you at least a little bit on what you can actually build. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.